Hey y'all! Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today because I've got something incredible to share with you. The Go Sleep Anti-Snore Wristband. If you've been struggling with snoring, or maybe your partner has and it's keeping you up all night, stick around because this little gadget has been a total game changer for me. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I'm going to break down everything I love about it. Let's dive in. Alright, so here it is. The Go Sleep Anti-Snore Wristband. This thing is so cool, and honestly, it's one of the easiest solutions I've ever tried for snoring. I used to wake myself up, or worse, my wife would nudge me in the middle of the night because I was sawing logs like a lumberjack. But ever since I started wearing this, those days are long gone. Let me tell you why I'm obsessed with it. First off, the way this thing works is pure genius. It's got this smart biosensor built right in that listens for snoring. Yeah, you heard that right. It actually detects when you start to snore. When it picks up that sound, it sends this tiny, gentle pulse to your wrist. It's not like a big shock or anything, it's more like a little tap, just enough to make you shift positions without even waking you up. And here's the best part. When you move, your airway opens back up and bam, no more snoring. It's like magic, but it's all science, y'all. Now let's talk comfort because that's huge for me. I've tried other anti-snoring stuff before, like those nose strips or mouthpieces, and they were either annoying or just plain uncomfortable. But this wristband? It's so lightweight and soft I barely notice it's there. It's adjustable too, so it fits my wrist perfectly. I just slip it on before bed like a watch, and I'm good to go. No fuss, no hassle. It's honestly become part of my nightly routine, and I don't even think twice about it anymore. Another thing I absolutely love is how it's helped my sleep quality. Before, I'd wake up feeling groggy because my snoring was interrupting my rest, even if I didn't realize it. But now, I wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day. My wife's noticed it too. She says she's sleeping better because she's not lying awake listening to me snore all night. It's a win-win for both of us. I mean, who doesn't want a happier spouse and better sleep, right? And here's something else that blows my mind. It's not just a quick fix. Over time, it's actually training my body to stop snoring altogether. The more I use it, the less I seem to snore, even on nights when I forget to put it on. It's like my brain's learning to keep my airway clear all on its own. How cool is that? It's not just a band-aid, it's a long-term solution, and I'm all about that. Oh, and let's talk about how easy it is to use. It's got this simple on-off switch and that's it. No complicated setup or apps to mess with. You just turn it on, slip it on your wrist, and let it do its thing. Plus, it's got this awesome feature where it shuts off automatically after 8 hours so it's not running all day if I forget to turn it off in the morning. And the battery life, fantastic. I charge it maybe once a week, and it's always ready when I need it. Low maintenance is my jam, y'all. One of my favorite things about the Go Sleep Wristband is how it's brought peace back to my bedroom. My wife used to joke that she was going to start sleeping in the guest room, but now we're cuddling up every night like we used to. It's little things like that, those quiet, restful nights, that make this worth every penny. I feel like it's not just helping me sleep better, it's making my whole life better, you know. And can we just take a second to appreciate how sleek this thing looks? It's not bulky or clunky. It's got this modern minimalist vibe that I'm totally into. It doesn't scream medical device at all. It's just a cool little wristband that happens to work wonders. I've even had friends ask me about it when they see me wearing it and I'm like, oh, this? It's just my secret to sleeping like a champ. So there you have it, folks. My honest take on the Go Sleep Anti-Snore Wristband. If you're tired of snoring keeping you or your loved ones awake, I can't recommend this enough. It's comfy, it's smart, it's effective, and it's made my nights so much quieter and more restful. I'm hooked, and I bet you will be too if you give it a try. Seriously, it's been a total blessing for me. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. If you've tried the Go Sleep Wristband or you're thinking about grabbing one, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on more stuff like this. Until next time, sleep tight and snore free. See ya.